prefer the automatic,
Yeah.
not manual.
Say hi. Haha, we're going back.
Yeah, good view, guys.
I still have to make it with a second.
Wow. I would never be able to figure that out.
He's gonna start to shake a little bit and just stabilize, and he's gonna do like.
Oh, so it's totally stable.
Look.
I wonder
So that's it stabilizing. That's a calibration. The gyroscope.
Yeah, feels weird. There you go. He's on.
So now, like, if
Feel it.
if you like turn it, yeah, so it keeps it straight.
Yeah.
Your gyroscope.
so it's a virus.
Oh, and you could twist it like this.
Yeah,
It'll
and I
turn
can
to the left and the right.
and I can also control everything from here
166
or from this
This
one.
is fancy.
Someone lives here.
The Rangers. Yeah, and
Very
I
cool.
also can take this out
Yeah.
and control everything from over
Remotely, because you can put it on the tripod also, so you
there.
can set it up.
Exactly.
Very cool.
Ready, guys?
Technology is amazing. We are ready.
Like the guys on the video. Tekalonoya. You never see
Which
it?
one is that one?
It's very funny.
Not another Borat one, no?
The Borat's super funny, man. Very nice, very nice. I like.
Like me?
Yeah, we watch a lot of travel YouTube videos at home.
That's what I do. I'm always just. I mean, like this.
We're gonna
There's
watch
like
your
a-
stuff.
This is going to be on YouTube today.
Yeah,
We're gonna watch your stuff.
we have few people who like to watch.
Travel vlog.
Uh-huh.
Up picking.
Okay, guys. You're a cute little boy. You're a little cute boy. Hi,
Jungle boy.
Benny. What he has over here?
Bumped his chin
Okay.
on the floor. Very active.
Happened to me many times. What you got?
He's a little boy. He goes all, he's all over the place. Water drainage.
You put like music to the,
Videos?
yeah.
Never.
Also, it's recording what we're talking about right now.
If there is something bad, I just like mute. Yeah, I do this, and I also like to go and put it on the rivers, just to record the sound of the water and the birds.
Oh yeah, people like that.
Mhm.
Yeah, sure.
He's buckled in, watch out. On a downswing.
Yes, but next time we go whitewater kayaking, we're gonna have
You know where I got it from? Like his mother. Stand in front of the shoulder, please.
What?
From his dada jelly. And the other one is a lunatic who has a second son.
Walk to the right, walk to the left, walk in the middle.
Mr. Oh, he moved. He's over there right now. Yeah.
Jesus. ¿Cómo estás, Jesús? Where? Oh, there he is.
Oh, wow, cool. Can you get a little picture of him? New Hope?
They look like the Velociraptors from the movie, right? I'm always says that. I'm always saying that. Believe me. Opa.
Oh,
Oh, look at this, look at this. Okay, no, here. Look at a nymph.
it's a nymph.
A nymph, look at the shape of that. It's one of the most weird looking insects in the world.
It's funny looking. It looks like a shrimp.
Oh, cool. It's a micro world, my friend.
Yeah. Very cool.
That's a very good looking insect.
Like a bushy. It's got like a bushy tail.
Yeah,
Nymph with the N.
una ninfa.
What's its body? That's its body. It's fine. They don't mind. You're being very, very well behaved, bud. You're a, what do you call it? A good sport.
He's adapting.
You're a good sport. Yeah. Yeah. He's gonna be a world traveler now. Can take him anywhere. Once he starts.
Eyes open. Might doze off. He's sitting like this. He might doze off.
This is a really cool bird that sounded like a computer, like R2D2 or something. Do you know what
My dad's name is Arthur,
Arthur?
and he
like,
met a guy called Obi-Wan in a bar in Hackle, a guy from Germany. And so he was like, "What is your name?" "Oh, I'm Obi-Wan." He was like, "What is your name?" "Oh, my name is R2." Like that was the funniest thing ever.
Billy, I have video of it.
yeah, it's a really cool bird. You know what I'm talking?
Yeah.
Or it's this one. Oh, be careful. This is at our hotel.
Oh, Oropendula, Montezuma Oropendula.
Look at me. That's Benny. That's Benny.
That's very good, actually, believe it or not.
Sound like a bird?
That's Benny. That was.
I have a better one. That's just
That's that one, yeah.
That was it.
Montezuma Oropendula.
Where do the toucans go when they're not in the trees? They make a hole in the trees?
Right now they're nesting. The toucans, we are in the nesting season. And they do found holes on the trees.
Yeah, like the macaws.
Exactly.
Oh, we didn't see any macaws.
Yeah, we did. Remember flying over?
Well, yeah, you and I, but like, briefly. That was a chance, you know?
Watch your step, guys. You should do this stroll on the rainy season.
Yeah, oh my god.
It's a challenge.
Yeah, you have to be very careful.
the wood gets super slippery.
Lines, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
When is the rainy season?
After July, my friend. Look at that thing, man. There's a lot of people right there.
Oh yeah, it must be the same sloth sleeping.
Oh yeah.
Yep. It's a movie star.
Video killed the radio star.
Oh, he's awake! Ah, he's awake!
Hey, buddy.
He's searching. He's got police. Oh,
Yes.
so cute. He's awake now. You see him, Joey?
Ahí está el perezoso rascándose.
Pero están duros esos
Sí.
garrapatas.
I think so. Yeah, we can probably see it better from here. ¿Cómo estás? ¿Todo bien?
¿Está bien por ahí?
¿Todo bien? Sorry, guys. Sorry. My friend, give me your phone, sir. Dude, your phone, man.
Oh my God, they're so cute.
Okay, go ahead. Let me take a picture with your phone. Okay, be careful. Watch your step.
Phone must feel good. Wonderful.
Something, my friend.
Wow, he said, wow. That feels good, man.
Oh, sorry.
Can you show me your face, bro, a little bit?
Behind? Right here? You can shoot it. Put your name in. Okay? You just stretch your knees out. It's usually depends how deep spots, you know.
Top of his head, you can see.
Yeah.
So cool.
Yeah, I got a great video, man.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Ciao.
Little monkey.
The owner or a random person? Remember in DC when I lost them? At least they weren't prescription at that point because I was still wearing contact lenses at that point. I'm getting these ones because these ones are a lot more expensive with the prescription lens. But these ones have lasted a while. No. Yep. They'll try it on and be like, what the heck? But these have been great. It's great Ray-Ban does that. That eyewear?
No, just.
Oh, your Ray-Bans.
Like, I think that it's a really good quality protection of the sun.
Yeah.
Not Oakley's.
Yeah.
Like they're like proven that they're not just.
It's a good quality
lens,
product.
Like it's really protecting the eye.
Yes, Penny.
There's a black iguana, guys. You guys want to go and take a look at the beach? It's 3 minutes away.
The beach?
It's beautiful over there.
3 minutes that way?
Yep.
You guys want to look at the beach for
Just
3
look,
minutes?
or you can get in the water too.
Or do you want to?
Oh, I don't think it's too late. We'd have.
As long as we don't have a.
No, it's just to look at it. It's not to go
Okay,
in.
yeah, look is fine. I don't think we have even terrain for it.
It's hard. It's
Right.
okay.
You don't want to go?
Yeah, we'll keep going just to
Okay,
get him
okay.
inside.
We'll see
Okie
at,
dokie.
at our viewer. Yeah, at the hotel. Maybe if we go backwards, the sun will be on him. Yeah,
So the sun's there.
it's still on him.
Yeah, but I'll stand over here and try to get. There we
It's freezing today.
Freezing.
Look at me, I'm melting.
Yeah.
Yeah, you have to wear the long sleeve.
Yeah, man.
That's also to protect you from the sun, right?
Exactly.
I'm surprised you don't wear a hat.
I forgot my hat.
Oh.
Leo was supposed to bring me one. He promised me a gap. No gap.
So how long have you been a guide for?
17 years, my friend.
Wow.
I started in a serpentarian.
Like with the snakes.
Yeah.
Always in Costa Rica?
Always in Costa Rica, my friend. I reproduce a lot of butterflies, frogs, and snakes already.
Cool.
Wow.
Yeah, we used to reproduce butterflies to export the cocoons.
So you grew up around it and you just loved it
Love
and
the
you just
animals and
wanted
nature.
to do
And then
something with
I decided to study what I'm already know.
Uh-huh,
Yeah.
What do you study? Zoology, biology?
No, I took I took the career to become a guide.
A guide, okay.
Yeah. And then I'll be taking courses of herpetology, lepidopters, amphibians.
To learn more, yeah.
Yeah.
Become a more knowledgeable guide. Very cool.
Yep, she's still there. So cute.
How do you remember exactly where it is?
The frog?
Yeah, she's got a good memory.
Mm-hmm.
She's so good
Nice.
in nature.
So I had one that just like that, but it was more like a lime green.
Oh yeah?
As a pet?
It was my buddy, and it. I had
Oh,
I
as a
had
pet.
Yeah, I had a flowering pot and oh no, like a pail of water that I would water my plants with, and it would hang
Uh-huh.
out in there.
Wow. That's so
One
crazy.
of those kids who would play with nature.
Oh yeah, I had tadpoles growing up, watched them turn into frogs. Really amazing.
We also have this area in Florida, if you read about it, called the Everglades.
Yeah, the swamps.
Yeah, the swamps. Has
I got a
lot of-
cousin. I'm sorry, a cousin. Yeah, two cousins and that they live over there.
Oh, really?
Well, they live near West Palm Beach, but they
Yeah.
they
So
like
West
to do.
Palm Beach is like 45 minutes north of us.
Yeah,
Yeah, it's cool. The Everglades is closed. It's all protected.
it's pretty cool, man.
Yeah. So when you're a kid in school, they take a field trip
That's
with
great.
your classmates. Yeah.
Well, it's great for the people that they love that.
Yeah, people in Florida are very animal
Lover,
friendly and nature friendly.
just like people in Louisiana.
Did they
Well,
like
no,
it too?
no, they eat them.
They eat anything.
Yeah, I was hanging out with some guys from Louisiana the other day,
Yeah.
and I was like, "Look at that squirrel! Are we gonna eat it?"
Yeah,
But they were making fun of me, you know.
yeah, barbecue.
But that was very funny, man.
Cajun, it's called Cajun food
Yeah.
for Louisiana.
Frog legs, alligator.